YouTube 101 Success HD Video Training. Video 4. SEO Tools for Better YouTube Marketing. YouTube SEO. Considering that YouTube is the second biggest search engine on the web, right behind Google, getting your videos to rank high within the platform is well worth it. Having the right tools at your disposal makes it easier to find new keywords to rank for within YouTube so you can get your videos in front of the right people. In this video, we find out 7 SEO tools that will assist you in better marketing on the platform. 1. YouTube search filters. Before creating your video, use YouTube's built-in search engine to check out other videos that are like yours. This way, you can see what's already working and get a better idea of the direction you need to go in. Look for top-ranking keywords for your specific niche and examine the descriptions, tags, thumbnails, etc. to determine why they rank high. For example, if you're creating videos on social skills, you might be interested in who's ranking for keywords like being charismatic. Once you search for a keyword, you can sort by relevance, upload date, view count, or rating. You can sort by upload date to see the most recent videos that have been uploaded and how people are responding to them. 2. YouTube Search Autosuggest. By using YouTube's Search Autosuggest feature, you can easily find long-tail keywords in your niche so that you can rank them and drive targeted traffic back to your site. If you start typing a short-tailed keyword, you'll get a list of specific long-tail keywords that people search for most often. For example, here are some long-tail keywords to rank if you're teaching people how to play piano. When you're doing keyword research for YouTube, it's important to realize how it differs from Google keyword research. For one, YouTube viewers search differently compared to those who search Google. 3. SERPstat. SERPstat is a keyword research tool that can give you in-depth insight into what your competitors are doing, which can help you rank your videos high in search. You can give it one base keyword, and the tool will produce a range of suggestions that you can rank for. It'll help you discover those search terms that prospects are looking for and with which they could find you, help you compare your performance with your competitors, and send automated reports. 4. Google Plus Explore. Google Explore helps you get a better understanding of keywords that are related to your base term, show you slang and user-generated content that's like your base term, and relevant trends in your niche. This helps you get a more complete picture of the conversations that are happening among your target audience. By uncovering trendy, time-sensitive topics that are being discussed, you can create content that's more likely to be searched for in both Google and YouTube. 5. Sife. Sife is a business dashboard that lets you view your content marketing data in one place. You can monitor things like you can track mentions of your company on social media. Marketing. Within your marketing dashboard, you can monitor channels like email, SEO, SEM, social media, and analytics. Client reporting. Web analytics, such as multiple websites, top referring domains, search engines, SEO keyword rankings, and more. Keep track of your business expenses, company revenue, balances, etc. Sales, project management, and IT. 6. Vidic. Including the right tags can help your video rise in the rankings within YouTube search results, and Vidic can help you increase your library of tags by 10 times in under 10 minutes, so you can get discovered more easily. Another benefit that Vidic offers in terms of keyword research is telling you how difficult it is to rank for a particular keyword. This helps you know whether it's worth trying to rank for the keyword or not. Vidic makes it pretty simple to optimize all your videos for SEO. You can click on any video in your dashboard to edit it without leaving the page. Vidic also gives you a good system for managing your YouTube videos. Once you connect it with your YouTube account, Vidic will automatically import all the videos you have on your channel to your Vidic dashboard. 7. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a Chrome extension that you can download to manage your YouTube channel. TubeBuddy gives you optimization, promotion, and management tools on every video on your channel, as well as advanced analytic tools that help you optimize your SEO. This tool is unique in that it doesn't require you to leave YouTube to utilize it. Its features load within YouTube's site, so the user experience fits within your existing workflow. When it comes to YouTube SEO, there are a lot of things to take into consideration. Apart from creating a high-quality video that solves a problem that your target audience has, you also must choose the right tags, create a keyword-rich description, and encourage people to share and subscribe after watching the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.